Hello, my fellow eggheads. I'm Liz. I'm a certified technician. Let's get to it. First things first, we're going to make sure that your computer is unplugged. We want zero power running into the motherboard when we go inside it. Next, you're going to remove or unplug your battery because once again, zero power is what we're looking for. Then you're going to locate your RAM module right here. Look at that, my CAMM module. Also, if you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, so I'm going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to start unscrewing all the screws that secure this module. If you would like to know where I purchased this screwdriver, it's in the description down below. So I'm removing all 4 of the screws that are holding this in place. One thing I do find about these particular version of RAM is they are very particular about how they are installed. I remove the stabilizing plate first, and then I go ahead and pull the module off carefully by the sides. This piece right here comes off very easily, so make sure you keep it in place. Right here, I'm going to set it back on my new module here, careful. Also, when you are using any sort of metal components, make sure not to try to touch anything else because you don't want to damage anything accidentally. Also, keep in mind the oils from your hands can be damaging to the motherboard, so we're careful to touch the least amount possible. I have magnetized my screwdriver by leaving it on a strong magnet for about 20 to 30 minutes. So if you're wondering how this works so well, that's how I do it. All right, and so I'm going to put each one back in one piece at a time, one screw at a time, and slowly secure it. And once I'm done installing all these screws, I will then reinstall the battery and put back on the back cover. So as you can see, nice and secure, and that's how you do it. Thank you for your continued support of our channel through both subscribing and for liking and sharing our videos. From one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.